इस वीडियो में आप सीखेंगे कि हम किस तरह दो ट्रांसपेरेंट पिक्चर बनाएंगे। So let's go.
The background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Go to File. And open your second image. Select your lasso tool from the toolbar. And create a loose selection around the airplane. Select your Move tool from the toolbar. And drag it up onto the tab of the new background. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Now adjust the size, angle, and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Go to Edit. And Auto Blend Layers. Select the stack images. Select the three layers by holding down Shift key. Then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider of the underlying layer. Press OK once you're satisfied. And that's it. Thanks for watching.